Nasa loob, hindi lumalago. Naibigay mo na ba ang lahat para sa negosyo mo? Buong araw, buong linggo, pero parang hindi mo nararamdaman na lumalago? Maybe you can relate to this. There's a lady I know na tawagin natin siyang Marian. Si Marian at saka yung kanyang husband, meron silang car repair shop at car parts shop. And her husband handles the suppliers and the floor. Si Marian naman takes care of everything else. Yung bookkeeping, yung staff scheduling, customer follow-ups, and all the small fires that come up every day. She never stopped. Hindi siya nagpapahinga. Pero isang gabi, pagkatapos ng mahabang araw, umupo siya. Tapos naramdaman niya ng something na parang hindi niya ma-explain. Hindi siya masaya. Not because the business was failing, but because she realized that she had been pouring herself into the business every day, and yet nothing felt like it was moving forward. She was always inside the business, always fixing, always naghahabol, pero walang pakiramdam na lumalago. When we talked, she said something that stayed with me. Sabi niya, "Mami En, parang treadmill lang ano? Gumagalaw ako pero nasa parehong lugar pa rin." And tama siya. Most of her energy was going into correcting her errors. Errors in the business, redoing the entries and managing small daily problems, not into thinking where the business should go next. Kasi wala nang natitira para doon. The lesson here is this: when a woman carries the daily weight of operations all by herself, she ends up working so hard inside the business that she has nothing left to work on the business. Nako, mahirap yan anak. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.